equals my Dyson SV14 won't start. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue might be caused by a faulty motor that can prevent the vacuum from turning on. Our team will replace the motor and ensure everything is working perfectly again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.